And I think I remember, but could you explain what catalytic processes are for those who are not chemistry aware? Not that I'm chemistry aware. I hear the terms. I'm like, oh, I remember that talk. Yeah, yeah, I remember that. So what exactly is catalytic?
Well, in principle, in chemistry, when you have a chemical reaction, it will involve, let's say, the breakage of a certain bond. Now, in order to break a bond, you have an energy of activation. You need to give some energy to the system in order for this bond to be broken. The catalytic process is usually some third party, let's say, which is participating in this chemical reaction, and it just serves to reduce this energy barrier. So it's, in this sense, helping the chemical reaction in the sense that you don't need to put that much of energy to break, let's say, a bond, but this activation will be much lower. And a lot of processes that are important could be quite expensive without a catalyst, or even not possible, which is why there is always a need to investigate which kind of material will be most efficient in this.
Most people, I think, know that word catalytic from their cars and catalytic converters,
Yeah, I'm not really sure what it is.
oh, it's something that they put on. I don't know exactly what it does, but it meant to clean the emissions, and it's basically when the exhaust pipe goes through the muffler to reduce the sound, but it also goes to something called like a catalytic converter to scrub some of the particles from it or break down some of the bonds, so it's not as the emissions not as toxic. I'm sure someone will tell us in the comments, Candace, exactly what a catalytic converter does. But yeah.
I had mine stolen off my car when I was
And they
at an
tend to get
outlet.
stolen a lot because I think
Yep.
historically they use platinum in them,
Or
so they were
something,
inherently
yeah.
expensive. They used to be like a couple of thousands of dollars to fix or replace. But I think they've changed the formula, so it's if you get it on newer cars, they're not made of as expensive material, and as a result, the thefts are not as important. So typically, yeah, but I think about 5, 10 years old cars would start having the platinum in them.
There you go.